Hey traders, TG Watkins here. It is June 15th when I'm recording this, and just want to make sure everybody knows I put out a market update webinar video just a couple days ago from June 13th, and we keep seeing this market is now quite strong, and it's not just 4 or 5 names. We are actually starting to see broader participation. China is even picking up. There are a lot of things that are starting to happen, and there's a lot of AI frenzy, sure. But other than that, I do see a lot of things out there starting to set up. So you guys come to check out this webinar video that I put out. I'll put the link below for you guys, and yeah, go see that. Now on that topic, we are seeing the market starting to get a little bit frothy. Okay, so for as good as this is, it's getting a little bit crazy, and I'm not saying that we're going to crash and implode or anything, but it would be nice to see this thing refresh a bit. So it's a little bit cautious up here, way up there with the market really kind of getting kind of vertical. And so we just need to understand that, just be careful out there a little bit. If we look at the Dow, we can see here that, yeah, clearly we are right up here at a previous resistance area. So again, it's kind of getting up there. Can it keep going? Yes, but I would love to see a little bit more of a pullback, a little bit deeper of a refresh, something like that. But this market's looking pretty good, and I think that we should be looking long. We just need to find those opportunities. We can even look at the semis, and again, we were just up there. So really, really up there. I mean, we have been running outside of that 30 ATR for quite some time. Maybe we're even starting to see some negative divergence up there. So it's just even if it's a flag, something like that, but this is getting a little bit up there to where we need to be careful. The NASDAQ basically looking the same way, and the IWM, I'm really happy that the IWM is popping up and starting to look good, and a lot of names underneath the surface are starting to look good too. But I don't know, we'll have to see if there's some sort of refresh, pullback, flag, something like that to fix this situation. And then if we actually come over to the VIX, we notice that the VIX stopped going down compared to the market going up. And that doesn't mean anything immediately, but it does mean that the rest of the market is kind of noticing this and noticing that the market's getting a little bit frothy. So what they're doing is they're starting to hedge. And I think that's a pretty wise thing, because the market's getting pretty crazy up there. It doesn't usually stay up there for too long. And so this may not be immediate, but I do think something is happening to where people are like, we're starting to see the same thing. It's we're getting a little too crazy, and we need to start adding some hedges. And you can look at the UVXY, kind of doing the same thing. It's getting very stretched to the downside, and you can see its slope, its descent has slowed. So it is not going down nearly at the same rate, and you can see here it's getting pretty stretched. So it just, things are starting to line up to where I would be saying that there's probably going to be a bit of an up move in the UVXY and the VIX, and probably some sort of down move in the markets. And as I said, I would like to look at buying the dip when that happens. So just be careful kind of around here, because it does seem as though something should be kind of happening soon. So keep that in your back pocket and see what you can do with it. All right, everyone. Thanks again, and remember to check out that market update video, and we'll see you at the next one. Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.